pre-release this Friday for the new Magic set, Secrets of Strixhaven. Got booster boxes. We have a bunch of pre-release kits. People will be playing this weekend. If you're looking for any single specific cards, we have a binder full of goodies. A lot of these were in my personal collection where I had a bunch of good decks, so come free to check us out. We got a lot of Pokemon products. Binders organized for like traded card shows. We got Evolution binder, basically whatever good popular card you want. We got like basically the big banger binder, like full of like bunch of main set hits and even like older set hits. We do a lot on the kiosk here. We got a touch screen, and you basically just come through and you can filter through the games. You can basically search for anything you want specifically, see if we have it in stock or not. But if it's not in stock there, you can always talk to me or an employee. We'll be able to look through and try to find you what you're looking for. Oh yeah, we're here right inside of the shopping mall like area where everybody's at, like across from Burrito Shack and Starbucks. If you were right in between the two smoke shops, the vape shop and the tobacco shop. It's kind of hard to see it sometimes. We got a little dragon sign if you can check us out. We do sell slabs. We buy and sell Pokemon a lot, buy and sell Magic a lot. I mean, we do collect. We have One Piece cards, Digimon cards, Dragon Ball cards, basically everything you can think of popular, that is. But I appreciate you coming by and visiting, bro.
I appreciate it, man. Okay, so I'm here. I bought my bag of Magic cards. I collect these. I've been wanting to play, but I can't play. So, I got the TMNT joint. If anybody knows me that know that I grew up on TMNT, my mom bought a lot of them. So we're going to unbox these and see which ones I have. I bought 2 packs. First unboxing, we got a robot. It's a double-sided card, Mutagen. Okay, let's see what else we have. Let's see. Oh, I went too fast. We got a Swamp. It's a land. It's a land card. So, another card I have. Got Monsters Attack. I'm saying looking at that, not looking at the thing is crazy. I'm painting out. Alright, another one we have is Raphael and Mike Troublemaker. Another card, let's see what else we have. It is Michelangelo Game Master, I'm sorry. It's dope. Alright, and this one is Novel Nunchucks. Dang, I gotta get my camera stuff right. There we go. I'm gonna edit this out. Next one I have is Featherbrain Fletcher and Splinter. These got dope artwork. That's why I used to collect these back in the day. Another one I have is the Slither. One more. Mutant Town Musician. Alright, we're gonna see if I can play one. Alright, Tunnel Rat. Oh man, I remember him. This is one of the last villains the Turtles ever faced. Oh, that's Mutant Chain Reaction. That's pretty good sorcery card. Artifact, creature, robot, insect. That's dope. Let's see. An Easy Alliance. That's when you team with Karai. That's dope. Okay, we got a duplicate. Because I think I got this one in the last one. It's the robot. It's a duplicate. Let's see. Magic. It's the Plains. It's another island card. Oh, hologram. Master Maker. Looks dope. The artwork is dope on these cards. Chrome Dome. Oh, wow. Artwork is crazy on these cards. We got a Raphael Neighborhood Watch card. I should have reviewed it like this the second time. Well, you live and you learn, man. This is the best way. Oh, spicy oatmeal pizza. That sounds nasty, but okay. Lord Drake, Insect Invader, Little Orphan Ambition. Well, I can't say that word. Alright, let me see. Nobody. Got all these brothers in. Zoo Escape. This is going on YouTube. No biological assets. Okay. And Bebop Workout Warrior. Stockman. Metal Flyers. Okay. Can't wait for that new movie to come out. April O'Neil. Wow, you guys doing some ninja work. It's crazy. And the last but not least, Marshmallow. It's an artifact food card. Okay, that was cool. That was a good pool. That was my experience at Airfair Gaming. Been collecting cards for a minute, man. Had to slide through and check them out. Promise I was gonna check them out. I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video, man. As usual, man. Y'all love who loves you, man. Peace.